Hello there. On this brief video, I'm going to show you how to use the, as a pupil, the school maths site, www.finmaths.co.uk. Now, first you have to get onto the site. I suggest you use as your browser Google. It seems to be the one that causes the least problems. In fact, I haven't encountered any problems with it. Right, so you've got your Google up and running. Your Google Chrome, and you type in the URL in this window here. So it's http://www.finmaths.co.uk. And once you've done it once, it should get you there all the time. So here we have the website. It may appear slightly different. Now you'll have two main reasons for coming here: to find out what the homework is. That'll be the main reason, the reason you have most of the time, and also to revise. Let's deal with homework. Let's take for example that you're in year 9, you're in set 2, and it's the second week of term, and you've got to do your homework. How do you access your homework? Well, let's say it's the second week of the first term, so you're in the first half term of autumn, 9 set 2, so you scroll down to 9 set 2, and we're in week 2, and there you go. That's your first homework for that week, and that's your second homework. All the homeworks are in bold. The non-bold things in between, they're just some notes that might help you. So let's say it's your first homework of the second week. So you click on to the bold part, and there's your homework. That's the worksheet you have to complete, and you have to complete it in your book. You can do your homework from the screen here, or you could print it out. And make sure that you include the date and the title that it's a piece of homework. Okay, now what about the second use, revision? Now towards the end of the year, whatever year you're in, you'll be having an important exam. It'll be an end of year exam, or it'll be the real GCSE if you're in year 11. So let's say you want to revise. So you go to the part marked revision. Excuse me. Unless you're in year 11 in the top set, you'll be doing the GCSE foundation. So here's how we revise for our end of year test, or of course for in year 11 for our GCSE. Click on the revision site. There's some steps here that you should follow. The main thing about revising is doing past papers. So let's say we're just starting our revision program. We click on the first past paper there. Again, you can do this from the screen, or you can print it out if you find that's more useful to you. So we work our way through the whole paper. Then you mark your paper. So you click on this here, and here's the mark scheme, and it tells you what the answers are. If we just scroll down a few pages, here you go for question 1, part A. The answer is the coordinates 1, 6, and you get 1 mark for that. Don't worry about the B, excuse me, and the M and the A. Right, so you've marked your paper. You didn't do as well as you thought, or as you wanted to. So now we have to, what you have to do, and the hardest part, is identify where you went wrong. What general areas of maths were at the, in what areas of maths did the problem questions lie? If you're really stuck, of course, ask a teacher or somebody else. So let's say you, the first problem you had was with some shape, space and measure questions. So you click on the area marked shape, space and measure, and let's say it was about triangles. Now, you've got a number of ways of revising. You can click on the grey bit here and you get to some revision notes. These are from Milford Haven School, very good. This bit's all about congruent triangles. Scroll down, it tells you how to identify them and so on. But maybe that didn't help you. Maybe it wasn't the right area it was discussing, or alternatively you didn't understand them. So if notes don't help you, then of course you can click on one of the videos here, and here's a video all about congruent triangles.
Hello. In this video
You might recognize that voice.
Triangles.
Right, so there's one third area you can go to if you have the foundation and the higher textbooks. You can look up and the particular chapter in your textbook. You can go to that and read through the notes. So that's how you revise. Okay, I hope this video has helped. Thank you for listening.